It is Vlogmas day 20 and Christmas is 5 days away. So it's Sunday morning and I'm up bright and early because we were supposed to make our sorrel a long time ago. So this video is going to be sorrel making. And also, if we have time, I may start baking our rum cake with the girls since my niece is now here. So I'm super excited about that we can, you know, continue our traditions even though my mom isn't here to help us with it. I think it'll be very fun for them to participate, so we may get into that. We also need to bake cookies because we're giving those away as gifts. So I'm gonna just, you know, take you guys along while we do all those fun things, and then in the afternoon we may be taking a nice little stroll through New Hope with my friend, her husband, and the girls and all of that stuff. So come with us as we prepare for Christmas and try to enjoy the little bit that we have left before the new year starts and things just start getting crazy. So let's go. I'm about to make hubby some coffee. He is editing for me this morning, so it's a celebration, so I'm making him some coffee. Not because he's editing, but just because he's my boo. So, gotta hook him up. Alright, so I've already added instant coffee to this for him. Yes, I'm giving him in a pink cup. I don't care. Actually, no, I should give him in his Christmas cup. Let me do that. So I had set this little station up. It has like Christmas plates, napkins, like stuff for hot chocolate, and these hot chocolate sticks from Trader Joe's, little popcorn containers for the girls, and mugs because the hot cocoa station only has 2 mugs. And so since, you know, we have family here, we want to go ahead and have extra stuff.
That's a nice hill. Oh, we could use our tubes to sled.
Yeah,
we do have tubes.
Wow.
Our tubes.
The air tube. Okay,
No, but we have
sledding.
It's already showing the dirt over there.
Y'all want a couch?
Hey guys, I'm Amara, Taylor's cousin, and we're walking around New Hope. We're gonna take pictures and everything.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas! The entire family is walking around New Hope. Guys, this is what we're looking at, the Christmas decor. Oh my gosh. This place is so beautiful, guys. They have candles, industrial home decor, just everything. Everything. I'm going with the fellas. We're going to get hot chocolate. Do this. Yes, sir. I got a mask. Little coffee shop. Hot chocolate?
Yes. Love, you want it what?
I'll have the specialty drinks. Ooh.
What's this right here?
Wow, the dirty chai sounds good.
Oh, it's so good.
I'll have a dirty chai.
Yeah, right on. And this? This is what? Pecans.
This whole section is
Okay.
all pecans. The middle one, the cake, is an apple cake, and then the raspberry ones are like a
So cute in here.
And then the bottom row is
Lambertville Trading Company. I'll take this with us.
It reminds me of Union. Downtown
Union? Oh, really?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I'm smelling food. That's what I really want.
There's a restaurant right there called Lambertville Station. I haven't been there, but I heard it's really good. And they have a hotel like right on the water.
Smell like smoked lamb. That's what.
This is the gallery right here. There's one right there. Fine Art Gallery, and then there's one right here. Taylor loves going into them, but she's not seeming like she's excited today.
Kind of personable right now.
No.
She wants to get across the bridge.
She just knows what she wants, and then that's it. There's another restaurant over there.
Oh.
There is also a little.
On the inside.
Yeah.
But outside of it, they had the braces on made us stop.
We all got
Okay, the both of y'all win. The both of y'all win.
Huh?
Bank.
Yeah. Everything is decorated so nicely. Oh, look at those arrangements, guys. I heard this restaurant is very, very good, but I came across just for this floral arrangement right here. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Hey people, so we are in Lambertville right now, but we're about to cross over the street to New Hope, and it's a very, very cold day. So we're about to walk across the bridge from Jersey to PA. Oh, and I'm drinking a dirty chai latte, if you haven't seen that already. It's good. It's not too sweet. I mean, not like our chai latte over there.
Now when I ask about how
Isn't it crazy how we have this right here and like you didn't even know, right?
20 minutes. I'm like 20 minutes. Couldn't believe it. It's like crazy.
It's beautiful. Like when we want to do something on like a Sunday afternoon, and they have a lot of restaurants over there. Some of them are on the water. They have a theater right there, like a playhouse. They have an ice cream shop. So New Hope has a lot more. Like even we've been here so many times that just last week I drove out New Hope. It was that much they have there. Like we normally walk only down to a little shop right here, but there's restaurants that go all the way down. We're going into another store. Hello. Very good. Yeah?
Look at these little bags where you pick your own bath bombs out.
Oh, they're so cute.
You get these bags and you pick your bath bombs. What are
$4 each. Wow, that's a
What
lot.
are bath bombs?
So you take a bath, like you fill your tub with water, and then you drop this in there, and it goes, and it brings the fizz to the water. Now this store is fancy. Keep one, give one. That pink tree is so cute. This is how Starlight in Love is gonna look, guys.
Yeah, I see
You wanna
it.
go
This is how Starlight in Love is gonna look. Oh my god.
pajama.
I know. I am manifesting this right here.
Go inside.
Oh, I don't need to.
No, I see it, babe.
He spent 10 years in the army and then decided to become a fashion designer. So
Yeah.
really unique background. But the jewelry and most of the loungewear and the candles are all of ours. The jewelry is a take on modern charms, like charm jewelry, reimagine. Good example here. So the charm is on the end of the bracelet.
Okay.
And it's carved and pulled all the way through, fully adjustable. So you can get that bangle style without it. Like,
Where's the charm?
So it's right in the end. See, it's like an infinity symbol here.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got you. Because I'm like, I don't see
I see it.
And I
Yes.
see a smiley face right
Yes,
there.
yeah. So the charms are on the card, but we have symbols, initials, birthstones. Are you guys from the area?
Branchburg. This is
Okay.
so cute. I'm putting it on my Instagram.
Yes, girl. There you go.
What's that area for?
So if like when the sisters do come in, we do like tea meetings back there, like brand building stuff, eat lunch. So it's like a
It's like a little office.
Jazz
Like
gonna say
area,
like a
yeah.
pseudo office.
I was expecting this.
Watch your feet, watch your feet, Tyler, watch your feet. You wanna go in?
Bye.
Peace out.
Daddy said there's a little.
I have to back down steps.
Jasmine, is it true?
Yeah.
What?
Santa sent you back. What did it say? Alright, so we're in the ferry market right now, and this is where we usually come to like get food and different things. So we're gonna walk around, get some food, maybe get some wine, and sit and eat with the family. Hubby's right behind me. We're trying to decide what we're gonna eat today. Since it's Sunday afternoon. This for us? Oh, there's sweet on the other side.
Oh, yeah. You like a sweet red?
Yeah. I tried the blushed wine already. And we always have to try our wines. All right, you try that one, Jazz.
I can see why.
That one's good. Is it
Chocolatey.
sweet?
It's strong.
Thank you. Whoa.
You got a gyro, Mara? Ooh, Trevor's food looks good. Maybe I should taste it before he tries it. Jasmine, that salad looks so good. Are you gonna let me try it?
Can't handle this.
Babe, your food that you got looks so good. Ooh, look at those tater tots, like the steam.
Yeah, these ones taste good too.
Jazz, you just missed it. You got a compliment.
What did I get?
Kayla
Oh, it's
said,
right there. Guys, we're having such a good time. Such a good time, right guys?
Yeah.
Oh, Michaela said.
Delicious tater.
Delicious tater tots.
that's not wine, that's liquor. Like.
That's how you sip on it.
You sip like we poured a little bit. So good. So if you are ever in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, remember Lambertville, New Hope, right? So they're neighboring each other and they're separated by a river. And so you start in Lambertville and then you cross the bridge over into Pennsylvania and New Hope. There's so much to do. We came kind of late in the evening, so it's getting really dark right now, but for the most part, like, we were able to see a lot of things. Taylor, I'm gonna try Taylor's mac and cheese. The fact that this is hot.
Okay guys, so to make the perfect sorrel, you need some ginger and you need dried sorrel. Yeah, you need, if you're in the Caribbean and you can buy the actual fruit, then obviously you can use that as well, but I'm going to show you how to use this to make your favorite holiday beverage. Let's go. So we're doing 13 ounces of dried sorrel in a large pot, which we are going to bring to a boil. It smells so good. So good.
She have the pine with the ginger. Spliff like time, girl, I get injured. Miss right wine, never you linger. Move quick like Jackie Chan ninja. When me in ya, me tell her if you wine panny, wine panny, wine panny ting. Climb for the, climb for the.
Okay, so now that you have your ginger, you peel the skin off and put it in your... Okay, so then you're going to blend the ginger up and pour it on the mixture that is currently on the stove. And then after you boil it up for maybe about 20 minutes, then you're going to let it sit for about 4 hours to seep.
Wine panny ting. Climb for the, climb for the, climb for the king. But now me I sing, me I pray, she no move from my...
I'm going to pour it all the way in, because remember, you could do this because you're going to strain it at the end. Okay? So this is totally okay to do right now. So you get all the ginger benefits in it and nothing is missing. This is going to make the strongest and best sorrel. Trust me. Alright guys, so these have been soaking for way over 4 hours. It has been about 7 hours, and so I think this is about time for us to get these strained and mixed. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I have these 2 containers and I'm going to start straining the sorrel into these, and there's going to be about 3 or 4 different sessions of straining to make sure I get everything out of it.
Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine when I ting and me I play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine when I ting and me I play that. And mom the rum and all the sorrow. And mom if you drink away my sorrow. Guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine when I ting and me I play that.
Okay guys, so I've strained this probably about 100 times. So now, because it's so concentrated, I'm about to add some water to it. Now remember, if you taste it, it's obviously going to be very sour because it's concentrated. And so you want to add water to it, but make sure you're tasting it as you go. And then we're going to add in the sugar. We're going to add in the red label wine, the white rum, and that's it. Right? So, and if you need to add more ginger, you can add it in at that time. So let's do it. Okay, so what I'm doing is adding some bottled water because it is very concentrated. Okay. Then I'm going to add the sugar. And I'm doing brown sugar. If you have white sugar, that's fine too. Oh, it's splashing up on me. So after you add the water and sugar, you're going to stir
And I don't add the wine in and the rum in till last, until like I get it to the right consistency. Okay guys, time for the Red Label wine. I'm going to put this entire bottle. Then the last and final thing is our overproof white rum. Okay, so that's what we're putting in right now. And this, just about a cup of white rum will do, but you could totally make it stronger.
She have the pine with the ginger. Spliff like tan, girl, I get injured. Miss right wine, never you linger. Move quick like Jackie Chan ninja. When me in ya, me tell her if you wine pandy, wine pandy, wine pandy ting. Climb for the, climb for the, climb for the king. But all now me I sing, me I pray she no move from my drink. She a say
Pine and ginger. Me want me for wine, but I think I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger.
Daddy is filling up the bottles using a funnel. Thank you, babe. He took over for me because I got tired. Hubby got some bottles done. Okay, we're in business. We have 5 ready. This is assembling our Christmas sorrow packages. The cookies to be done.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? Hope you guys enjoy this Vlogmas. Walking around with us, chilling us in the house, making sorrow and stuff like that. We're gonna finish it off right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and keep coming back and checking us out. Making it with the Matthews Vlogmas. Peace. Jingle bell.